kayak on a strong wind. Very, very windy. First one of the day on a windy day. Ooh, it's a pike. Ooh, look at this pike. Got a lot of bite mark on him. He got beat up. This pike got beat up. What's this? Oh, what's that one? Huh? Get beat up. First one, thank you. Second one today. Whew, there we go. Haha, nice. On a windy day. Third one of the day. Ooh, what is it? Ooh, it's a pike. Nice pike too. This is the third one. It's another. Nice pike. Woo. Third one is a nice pike. Taking out the club. Oh, we got a sharp here. Woo. Taking out the club, and we got a sharp here. Whew. Nice, thank you. Ooh, fourth one could be a bass. Ah, nice, it's a nice bass. Whew. Nice bass. Fourth one is a nice bass. Oh, Rico, this is a chubby one, chunky. Nice bass, chunky. Yeah, but chunky bass. Thank you. Nice, heavy. Nice bass. Oh, Rico, this is a chubby one, chunky. Nice bass, chunky. Yeah. But chunky bass. Thank you. Nice, heavy. That's it. Wow. That's the fourth one. Fifth one. It's another pike. Whew. Mm. Fifth one today. There's the fifth one. No, don't play that. The fifth one is another northern pike. Oh, big too. Look deep. Nice one. Thank you. Oh, big too. Look deep. Nice one. Thank you. Don't play dead. You're live. The fifth one is another northern pike. Big too. Look deep. Nice one. Thank you. Sixth one today. It's another pike. Woo. Nice one. What a nice pike. Wow. 6-1. Wow. 6-1. Thank you. That's the 6.